How to buy XLM on Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open up your Binance account. After that, just simply select the option of trade and over here select the option of spot trading. Now just simply search for XLM in the search bar and you will be able to see all the different pairs with the XLM. Whether you want to use BTC, USDT, BNB or any other crypto to purchase XLM, just select that particular pair. Suppose I want to purchase XLM using USDT, so I will select the option of XLM USDT. And after selecting it, just scroll down and at the bottom you will be able to see the option of buying XLM. Now you just need to put the price at which you want to purchase, because the option is selected as limit order, which basically means that you are limiting that you want to purchase XLM at the particular price. In case if you want to purchase XLM at the market price, just select the option of market over here. Now just type the amount of USDT that you want to use in order to purchase XLM. After that, just click on this option of buy XLM and you will be able to purchase it. In case if you want to set a limit order for a particular price, just simply select the option of limit and then type the price for which you want to purchase. Suppose you want to purchase for 1178, so just type over here as 1178 and then just type the amount of XLM that you want to purchase and the USDT amount will be shown on its own. After that, just simply click on this option of buy XLM and this way you would be able to purchase XLM on Binance. And this is how you do it. And there's one more way and it is quite easy. You don't have to purchase it. Basically, you have to convert your USDT to XLM. And this is one of the easiest ways. So what you have to do for this is just go on the trade option, then click on this option of convert and block trade and wait for it to load. After that, select XLM over here. Type for XLM, then just select Stellar Lumens. After that, just type the amount that you want to purchase. Suppose I want to purchase 100 XLM using USDT. So I will need $11.7792. And after that, just click on this option of preview conversion. And after that, you will be able to purchase XLM using USDT. You can also use any other crypto in case if you don't have USDT. And then just simply click over here and select any other crypto that you want to use in order to purchase XLM. And the process is quite similar and the fees will be 0. And this is how easy it is to purchase XLM on Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.